Today I'm going to share with you how to make your own powerful anti-aging face serum using just 2 ingredients, sea buckthorn oil and black seed oil. Both of these oils contain omega-3, 6, 7, and 9 fatty acids, high amounts of vitamin A and vitamin C, which accelerate collagen production in your skin and prevent aging and wrinkling of the skin. Both of these oils contain properties that help diminish and prevent dark spots from the sun and from acne. Both are powerful anti-inflammatories and antioxidants. So first I'm going to take my sea buckthorn oil and place a few drops into my bowl. As you can see, the high amount of carotenoids make a beautiful golden hue. This will protect your skin from aging and sun damage and help repair sun damage. Now my black seed oil. Use a wooden stick or spoon to stir your ingredients together. As you can see, it has a beautiful golden hue. So this is going to make your skin a little bit colored, but that's okay. You're just using this as a beauty treatment. Make sure to pat this into your skin and not rub it in. Just pat it into your skin so that it goes deep into your skin layers. And use this several times a week, if you could every day. And notice how supple and moisturized your skin will be because of the antioxidants and the omega-3, 6, 7, and 9 fatty acids. Your skin will be younger, more radiant, healthy looking, and just beautiful. So give this a try. Don't listen to anyone who says that you cannot prevent wrinkling of the skin. You definitely can if you use powerful ingredients like these. They've been used for centuries in skincare and for medicinal purposes. So give this a try and let me know what you think. Thanks.